Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss the MSc Zoology entrance test conducted by the Rajasthan University in the year 2012. So previously they had 10 questions, first 10 questions which were based upon your general knowledge. Like we have first question, that is fill in the blank in the given sentence so as to make sense. Select the correct word from the answer choices. The statement is unless you help me, I will not be able to make dash the meaning of the passage. It's will be filled by out. Out. The phrase make out means to understand or to decipher something. To understand or to decipher something. Okay, it means unless you help me, I will not be able to understand the meaning of the passage, right? Next question, a word has been written in four different ways, out of which only one is correctly spelled. Find the correctly spelled word. The answer here is exemplary, 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 meaning serving as a model or example. Right? Next question. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word. The word is consequence. And consequence means stand result. Result. Consequences refers to the results or outcome of particular action or set of circumstances. Next question. In the Ramayana, Manthara served which queen? The answer here is Kekai. Kekai. Next question, Abdul Kalam was selected as president in which year? The answer is in the year 2002. Whose signature appears on 10 rupee currency note? The answer here is Governor of Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Next question, the product of the ages of Ankit and Nikita is 240. If twice the age of Nikita is more than Ankit's age by 4 years, what is Nikita's age? What is Nikita's age? So here the product of Ankita and Nikita age is 240. Twice the age of Nikita is equal to Ankita's present age plus 4. If we consider Ankita's age A and Nikita's age N, equation will be A into N is equal to 240 and 2N is equal to A plus 4. So from this equation, we can conclude A is equal to 2n minus 4. So we can put this equation in equation number 1. So we will have 2n minus 4 into n is equal to 240. And when we will solve this equation, we will finally have the value of n is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. And when we will put the value of n in this age, we will get also Ankita's age. That will be 2 into 12 minus 4. That will be what? 20 years. And we had asked here Nikita's age. The age is 12 years. Okay. Next question. At the rate 8.5% per annum simple interest, a sum of rupees 4800 will earn how much interest in 2 years 3 months? Principal is equal to 4800, rate is equal to 8.50% and time is equal to 2 years and 3 months, that is equal to 3 upon 12, 2.25 years. Now we know simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So while on putting this value here, we will get simple interest is equal to 816. The correct answer here is 816. Next question. Complete the series from the given alternatives 544, 509, 474, 439. If we see the difference between them, the difference is 35. The difference is 35. So next will be minus 35. That will be is equal to 404. Okay. Next question. Choose the best alternative as the answer. A scenery always has a composition. a composition of natural as well as man-made elements. Okay, next question. We will start zoology section here. Which region of mitochondria show low pH? The answer here is inner membrane space, because the inner membrane space has proton pump has proton pumps which pump hydrogen ions into the inner intermembrane space, more making it to have more hydrogen ions, means low pH. Higher the number of hydrogen ions, lower will be the pH. Okay. Next question. zDNA or zDNA is left-handed DNA with 12 base pairs per turn. Next question. Enzymes necessary for metabolizing H2O2 are present in. The answer is peroxisomes. H2O2, it is called hydrogen peroxidase. And this peroxyzyme enzyme, these contain enzymes like catalase that break down hydrogen peroxidase into water and oxygen molecules. These are important in reactive oxygen species. Next question. What is the primary function of primosomes? The answer is to create primers for DNA replication. Primosomes are involved in the synthesis of RNA primers, which are necessary for initiating DNA replication. Biodiversity is known as. The answer is total flora, fauna, microbes in the given areas. Next question. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in. The answer is Nainital in Uttarakhand. And it is one of the oldest national park in India. In which country first fossil of Archaeopteryx was found? The answer is Germany. India is included in which geographical region? The answer is Oriental region. India is part of Oriental geographical region, which includes part of Asia, and it is known for its diverse fauna. Next, orientation of the animal towards environmental stimulus is called taxis. And taxis refers to the movement or orientation of organism in response to stimulus. Stimulus could be light, any chemical, any touch. Okay. Next question. Respiratory center which regulate the respiration is located in. The answer is medulla oblongata. A respiratory center that regulates breathing is primarily located in medulla oblongata. It controls the rate and depth of breathing. Okay. Stimulation of sympathetic nerve of heart accelerate the heartbeat as a result of. The answer is release of noradrenaline. Noradrenaline, also known as norepinephrine. Always remember that these hormone, adrenaline or epinephrine, these hormones are flight or fight hormones. They will accelerate or increase the heart rate and their contractility. Next question. After an accident, a person cannot control hunger, thirst and thermoregulation. Which part of the brain is likely to be affected? Hypothalamus. Because hypothalamus plays a crucial role in regulating these factors. Damage to hypothalamus could lead to issues with these functions or to their functions. Next, if alpha cells in pancreas are destroyed, the process affected is glycogenolysis. Because alpha cells of the pancreas, they secretes hormone glucagon, a hormone that stimulates glycogenolysis, means breakdown of glycogen into glucose. So it increases glucose level in blood. Okay. Antagonistic hormone is insulin, secreted by the beta cells, and these are responsible for glycolysis. Glycogenesis means glucose will be converted into the glycogen and decrease glucose level in blood. Okay. Next question. The main function of trophoectoderm in mammalian embryo is. The answer is formation of placenta. This trophoectoderm, it is the outer layer of cells in blastocyst. When blastocyst form, the outer layer of ectoderm cell that transform into the trophoblast, which has a crucial role in implantation and contribute to the formation of placenta. Next, which of the following animal is used for search on leprosy? Answer is albino mouse. Albino mouse. These are actually known for being used in leprosy research because they can be infected with the Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae, the bacteria which causes leprosy. Okay. Oh, so okay. Sorry, the correct answer here is armadillo, and not albino mouse. Okay, armadillo. Next question: which of the following animal is harmful for the sheep? The answer here is pterido. Pterido are also known as shipworms. Shipworms, and they are marine mollusk, bivalve mollusk, and that are notorious for boring into and damaging the wooden ship and structures in the sea. It means they damage ships. They damage ships. Next, SMA1 restriction enzyme is obtained from which of the following microorganism? The answer here is Serratia marcescens. SMA first is a restriction endonuclease enzyme isolated from this bacteria, Serratia. Next, restriction enzyme which recognize and cut the same recognition sequences are known as isosomers. Isosomers. They cut at the same position within that sequence. Okay. Next question, uptake of naked phase DNA is called transfection. Transfection refers to the process of introducing naked or purified nucleic acid like DNA or RNA into the eukaryotic cells. Next question, which of the following can display two variables on the same scale simultaneously? The answer is histogram. Next, variance is square of standard deviation. Next question, secondary lymphoid organs are? The answer here is all of the above. Secondary lymphoid organ are the site where lymphocytes interact with the antigens and become activated. These include spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils. Okay. Next question, complement system is? The answer here is all of the above. And complement system, it is a part of immune system. Next, major histocompatibility complex is not present in? The answer is RBCs. The post-anal tail at any stage of life cycle is present in? The answer is all protochordates like urochordates. Okay. The earliest jawed vertebrate in fossil records are placoderms. Placoderms are considered among the earliest jawed vertebrates which are part of gnathostomes in the fossil record. Mammal-like reptiles belong to the synapsid line. Centrum of vertebrae in words is? The answer is Acilus. In which of the following national park Indian rhino is conserved? Answer is Kaziranga National Park situated at Assam. Next, apolysis in tinea is a process for? The answer is regular detachment of proglottids. And what are proglottids? These are named for segments of tinea solia. Next, respiratory organs of Scorpio are? The answer here is book lungs. Organ of Vojanus is found in Unio. Are mollusk. These are found in mollusk. Next question, the expression of more than one character by a single gene is called? The answer here is pleiotropism. Which of the following cross is used to prepare chromosomal maps? The answer here is test cross. In test cross F1 generation, it is crossed with the recessive parent. Always remember. And in the final, we have ratio 1:1:1. Okay. Next question, about 95% of glucocorticoid activity is due to the cortisols. They play a crucial role in stress response, metabolism, immune response regulation. Okay. Next, breaking of the membrane surrounding acrosome of sperm is? The answer is capacitation. Capacitation is a process that sperm undergo in the female reproductive tract, enabling them to fertilize an egg. And capacitation, always remember, it occurs in the female reproductive tract, where sperm finally matures so that it can fertilize the egg. The only enzyme of Krebs cycle found in the inner mitochondrial membrane is? The answer is succinate dehydrogenase. and it is associated with the complex 2 of etc. Okay, so these were the 50 questions, first 50 question of this question paper, and another question will be discussed in part B. Thank you for sparing your time.